Hello everyone, welcome to STONKAM's online showroom. I'm Jun from STONKAM. Over the past 17 years, STONKAM has been dedicated to develop innovative products to enhance driving safety and efficiency. With more than 400 employees, including 80 senior engineers, STONKAM continues to provide highly reliable and qualified security solutions to customers all around the world. Today, I would like to introduce you one of our latest products, the electronic mirror system. And first, let's invite our experienced sales Rachel to join us. Hello Rachel, welcome to join us.
Hello June, hello everyone. Nice to meet you here.
Rachel, as I know, STONKAM launched some new products recently, and the electronic mirror system is very popular to our customer. But I am confused as there are already mirrors on each vehicle. So why do people still need an electronic mirror system?
Well, there are some limitations with the traditional mirrors. A lot of accidents are caused by such limitations. Let me explain how. Take a look at this picture of the areas around a vehicle. Traditional mirrors could only see area A and B, but D is not covered and E is blocked by the pillar A. So if there are pedestrians in these two areas, the driver could not see from the mirror and would hurt them without any warning.
Wow, so I assume that if the vehicle is bigger, then the blind area is bigger as well. Does that make any sense?
Yes, you are right. Long trucks and buses have larger blind spots than others. Actually, you could see trucks attached with stickers on both sides, warning people of staying away due to size limitation, but you could hardly find that on a passenger car. And also in some specific cases, the risk of accident is even higher. Do you know something about that?
The accident rate is higher under special weather.
Exactly. When you are driving in a rainy, foggy or snowy day, the external rear view mirrors will become blurry and hard for the driver to track the view around. So this will cause accidents easily. Besides, when driving at night, you could hardly see anything if the low light is poor or if the high beam from the following vehicles is on.
Yes, that's easy to imagine. People will come across this situation in their daily life.
Yes, and there is one more disadvantage of the traditional mirrors. All kinds of reflectors and small circular mirrors have narrow view coverage, and the driver needs to track the view back and forth always, so he will get tired easily.
Wow, I haven't known that there are so many weaknesses on the traditional mirrors. Thanks for sharing the knowledge today. So how can the electronic mirror system solve these problems? Can you introduce some main features of this system?
Of course, let's see the mirror monitor first. It is a 12.3-inch monitor with anti-glare IPS screen. IPS screen can provide a wide viewing angles, so you can still see the picture with true color clearly from different directions, like from the side, from the top, or from the below part.
So how many cameras does it need to connect?
It can support two pieces HD camera input. So here you can see two connectors from the monitor. So one is for distant view and the another one is for close view.
So what are the advantages compared with such monitors from others?
Yes, there is one more important feature on the monitor. It is the brightness. The brightness of this one is 1000 CD per square meter, which ensures a sharp picture in daylight. Most competitors' monitor brightness is only 400 to 500 CD per square meter, which is too far away from legal requirements.
Oh, I see an SD card icon here, so it can record?
Yes, it can support SD card records. So here I can show you the SD card slot here. Here is the lock. So after you insert the SD card, you can go to the main menu.
So what are the other settings on the menu?
Let me show you here. The first icon is recording, and then you can also play back the videos here. The video resolution is 720p, and also in the here is a setting page, also backlight. As for backlight, you can turn the monitor to standby mode. And in the setting page, you can set the camera color, brightness, contrast, something like that. And also you can set the dimmer of the monitor. You can rotate the camera's angles like 90 degree, 180 degree, horizontal or vertical, something like that. And also in the future, we plan to add algorithm of blind spot detection to the monitor. It is a kind of AI technology. Then it could detect the overpassing vehicles.
So with such high quality screen, the cost will be high, I think.
Where compared with the safety you will have, it's just a moderate cost.
That's right. Safety is first. So this electronic mirror system is installed in this cabin, right? So it gives good protection to the monitor and it's very convenient for the driver as well.
Yes, that's right. Just like this picture, the monitors are installed inside the cabin like this, and these are two cameras installed outside the vehicles. Okay. This is the dual lens cameras. It has two lenses. Each of them is 720p. And as I mentioned just now, one is for distant view and the another one is for close view. The blind spot area D we just mentioned before here can be covered by such system. So also there's another technology, WDR technology in the cameras. This wide dynamic range technology can ensure a clear view even when exposed to strong lights. I can show you here. Here is the light from the phone calls. When I shoot at the cameras, you can still see clear images on the monitors. Besides, the camera is of IP69K waterproof standard, and it can survive in all harsh weather.
Wow, that's impressive. This electronic mirror system solves all the problems that are caused by the traditional mirrors. And in summary, it has the following advantages. First, IPS screen with high brightness to avoid light reflection. Second, better view in harsh environment because there is a waterproof WDR camera and monitor can be installed inside the vehicle.
Yes.
Third, dual lens camera with better viewing angle to reduce blind areas and driver fatigue. So if you are interested in this system, please contact us via email or phone call. And we will have a live show on other products every day. And you can follow STONKAM on Canton Fair platform, YouTube and Facebook to watch our schedule about this live show. So thank you for your time and see you next time.
Thank you all. See you next time.